This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Beautiful ranch home located in the heart of Virginia Beach and sought-after neighborhood. Featuring an open floor plan, stainless steel appliances, an amazing loft with breathtaking views, accent shelving, new LPV flooring throughout, soaking tubs, and custom rain shower. Close to shopping, beaches, bases, and more. Schedule your showing today before this home is long gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-300-1569.